You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite.
Hey yo, T-Beats, you killed this one, no cap.
Ice cubes up in my cup. If it's spice, one pour it up. She's a bad influence and looking like one of us.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you'd like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to start by saying Happy New Year. And this is the first video of the new year. And I thought what better to do than to teach you guys and girls how to make sure that you're collecting all the profits that you're getting when you're entering a trade. So I'm going to be showing you today how to take partial profits when you're in a trade. I'm going to show you a trade that I entered and how I took partial profits for the trade. I hope you're going to like this one, guys and girls. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm on my chart. The trade I took was GBP USD. I took it on a 15-minute chart, but I'm just showing you a layout on the hour chart. I actually took my trade over this part here, but this is what happened today. I'll explain to you exactly where I got into my trade. So I got into my trade here because I saw that the market had touched this area once before and tried to break this area several times, but never actually broke this area around here. So for me, what happened is that I could see that the market came back down here again. And I said, if the market doesn't break this area, then what's going to happen is it most likely will retest this area maybe one more time, and then it will go up. And this is what it started to do here. So I decided to get my entry in here. I was looking at a final destination point of around about here for the market to get to in terms of where I could take my take profit. So what I was doing is, as I was in this trade, I was taking partial profits. Right now on my screen, you should be able to see partial profits I took from the trade. I will give an explanation at the end of this video, a screenshot explanation to take partial profits on MT4 on the phone application. I'm using an Android phone, by the way. But what I actually did here is, so I had entry right here, as you can see. So that was around 135575. And I took my first take profit around this point here, which was 135681, and then I took my second take profit around here, which was 135749. Then I went on to take my third take profit around 135788, and then my fourth partial take profit was around here, which was 135835. And I had another one, as you can see on the screen that I've got right here on the left of the screen. You will see that I took my next take profit around this level here, which was 135937, and then I took another one around 136023, and then I took another one right up here, the seventh one, at 136235. So on the left, you can see the image once again, and you can see the last position I closed was take profit 8, which was down here. So as we can see, the market did break past my initial idea of where I thought the market would stop and reverse, but what I did is I put my stop loss around here. So my stop loss was at break even. But what I was doing in the whole point of this video was taking partial profits. Me taking partial profits meant that if the market did decide to go back and pull back just a little bit more, it wasn't going to hit my stop. This is why I prefer to take partial profits instead of using a trailing stop, because you never know when the market wants to retrace a little bit, like what this candle did here. It pulled back a little bit more, then it went up. You can see this candle pulled back actually major. So if I was trailing my stop here, I would have got taken out and I never would have been able to get take profit 7. So this is what I do. So I entered this trade at a 1.0 lot size, and I was able to take partial profits stage by stage, and making sure that regardless if the trade went against me, once it went up to take profit level 1, I always had my trailing stop here, my original one. So I let the market move into a certain amount of space, and then I was able to put my stop here, not trailing and following it, just here, and I left it here, and then I was able to keep taking partial profits from this trade. This is what I did. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you go to your position. So these are your open trades you have, of course, the trade I took. And what you want to do is you want to make sure you swipe over to the left. When you swipe over to the left, just on the actual trade that's open, what will happen is you'll get the tick, the pencil, and you get like a chart logo. You want to click on the tick. When you click on the tick, it's going to take you to you being able to close your trade. Instead of closing the whole 1.0 lot size and taking this money at about 11 pips, what I did is I went to where the number is at the top, the lot size, and you can change it. And then what I did is I changed it to a 0.10 and took my first profit. And then as the market kept moving, I just kept doing that same procedure over and over again. So I'll just keep taking more and more partial profits away from that 1.0 lot size. So therefore, eventually ending up with the lot size being about a 0.11 before I took the last trade. Okay, so that sums it up for this video. It's a very short, simple video. I'm going to be trying to do more basic videos, things that I don't cover in my mentorship. I'm going to be doing certain videos about that as well, just to make sure everybody can start to learn more and more of the basics of Forex into 2021. I'm going to try and make more and more people profitable traders. If you'd like to get into my mentorship, please join the link for my Discord in the description. If you'd like to get access to Pip Hunter as well, the indicator, please DM me in my Discord and I'll be able to sort out the relevant information for you there. It is a paid indicator, so just bear that in mind as well. Currently at the moment there is a deal, so for January, because of what's happening in the UK, Taylor is actually doing a lockdown deal at the moment, so you can actually get Pip Hunter for 30 GBP, I believe it is. It's either 30 or 35 GBP you'll be able to get it for. So yeah, if you're interested in that, let me know. There's also Starfish Prime, the Signal group. There's the link below. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe as well. It's your boy Big John, and you know what, I guess I gotta be out, but make sure we get these pips, and I'm gonna be doing more and more videos going into 2021. It's only time to go harder. There's no time to go soft. We need to be going hard in the paint, man.